Sometimes pants just feel a little bit too hippie, so to speak. Of course, it depends on what shape you are, and by hippie, I mean wide in the hips here. So for these particular ones, there's a very large pocket, and I've been asked to take that pocket out. Now, there's top stitching over here. I'm never going to be able to get that top stitching out without ruining them, just because of the way that it is stitched. So instead, I'm actually going to pin this, and I'm going to top stitch all of this down through the pocket, and then literally just cut away the pocket. I've gone ahead and pinned this pocket seam down. So I'm just going to slide it under the machine. Now the biggest thing here is to make sure that all of your fabric that's part of the pants, not the pocket, is not bunched up. So you are going to be stitching over the pocket, but you don't want like the back of the pants or the front of the pants to be bunching under on the inside of your seam, because then you'll have to do a lot of seam ripping. So just slow and steady. And I'm going to do a back stitch. It is pretty thick for these pants, so I'm trying not to go too fast and just allow the machine to pull it through. It's just the weight of this fabric. I'm going to take this pin out. And then we come over here, and I'm just going across the pocket placket because it was a wide pocket. And in fact, I don't really want this to pop up. So this is right where the hand would go in. I'm also going to stitch that way. So I've literally just turned directions. And if you wanted to keep like the cute look of like a fake pocket, I wouldn't stitch this part down. I would only stitch the first line of stitching, because then it would have that kind of flap look. But if you're trying to prevent it from looking wide, or hippie as I called it, then you probably want to cut it off. So now it looks like this. So that's what the side is going to look like. And then I'm literally going to turn it inside out. This is the pocket. And I'm going to take a pair of scissors very carefully, putting my hand between the outer part of the fabric and the pocket. And I'm just going to cut this out. I really do want to remove the bulk. There. So I'm going to do the same thing on the other side.
Thank you for watching. You can shop tutorials and classes on my website, naomifeda.net. Be sure to like and subscribe. And as always, may God sow his love into your heart today.